Fortnum & Mason's is in St James, which is near Mayfair in London.
It was founded in London's Piccadilly in 1707.
And it backs onto Jermyn Street, which is where you get your shirts and your suits in London, apart from Savile Row. It doesn't get any more quintessentially British than Fortnum & Mason.
It's an upmarket department store selling some of the finest produce money can buy. They're best known for their hampers, their extensive and iconic tea selection, their drinks department with fine wines and amazing whiskies, and
its food hall is legendary. It's where Peter Hannon from the Beef series, remember him?
Just controls, we're not going to eat them, these ones are safe.
Why, Peter? It's where he sells his beef in London. Basically, if you want to get something special that's food and drink for a loved one, then Fortnum & Mason is the place you come. And well, basically, they've nominated me for Digital Creator of the Year in the Fortnum & Mason Food and Drink Awards. Like, I'm trying to play it cool, but it's pretty cool, man. It's just so exciting to be nominated for something like this. For Fortnum & Mason to put me forward to be nominated for such a prestigious award, it's wicked. And I know you guys have been screaming for years, man. So like, you know, come on, let's support the Food Busker. Can you help me to grow the channel? Well, this is one of those ways. Then all you need to do is go to the description box. It's right at the top. Just click on that link and go and put in John Quilter, Food Busker. It would mean the world to me if you went and voted. It would mean the world to me to win. But you know, apparently there's some other chefs that have been nominated. Oh. He's got a few followers, but you know. Who? Is he English?
3 basic stages.
Barclay. Who? Never heard of him. And the Bosch lad.
we're Boss.
Yeah, they've got a few followers.
Enchanté.
Well, that's going to be easy, isn't it? It's a long shot, but you never know. And, you know, if basically everybody that watches this film goes and votes, then I've got a chance. Thanks for all the comments. Thanks for all the suggestions. Thanks for watching. Increase the peace, spread the love. More great films coming at you this month. Vote, come on. I mean, like, how many followers has Jamie Oliver got now? Can't be many.